What's going on, guys? I'm David, this is No Problems Fitness, and in today's exercise tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you typewriter push-ups. I'll do 2 different angles so you can see what we're doing here. First one, we're going to get standard push-up formation. And it's best to do these a little bit wider. So we're going to get down in like a little bit of a wide stance instead of hands a little bit closer together. So we're getting a wide stance, and instead of coming straight down, what we're going to do is come down towards one side, and then we're going to slide over and come back up on that side. And then we'll come down, slide over, back up on that side. That's the typewriter push-up. It's a little bit more of a little bit more difficult exercise. Here we go, a little bit wide stance. Now the wider you get, the more difficult this push-up is going to be. So if you need to bring it together, you can bring it together. Come down, over, up, down, over, up. And again, if you need to do it on your knees, this is a good one that you can do on your knees if you can't do the standard version. So we're going to go down on one side, over, back up, down on one side, over, back up. And the key is to try to keep your body parallel to the floor as possible, not twist into one side or the other. That is the typewriter push-up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you stay up to date on all the home workouts, exercise tutorials. Drop a comment, let me know if you liked it, what you want to see next. Hit the thumbs up button. See you in the next video.